The topic for today is posterior tooth preparation. Tooth preparation is a far more important phase of fixed partial denture processes treatment. It must be done with skill and meticulous attention to detail for everything else that follows: pulpal vitality, periodontal health, a good aesthetic result, proper occlusion, protection of remaining tooth structure, and the longevity of the restoration itself. Planar occlusal reduction. It is the preparation of the occlusal surface of the tooth. Planar occlusal reduction is done using round and tapered diamond and number 171 burr. Depth orientation grooves are made on the triangular ridges and primary developmental grooves. The depth orientation grooves should be 1.5 mm deep on functional cusps and 1 mm deep on the non-functional cusps. The tooth structures between the orientation grooves are removed following cuspal contours. Functional cusp bevel is done using round and tapered diamond and number 171 burr. The bevel should be parallel the inward facing inclines of the cusps of the opposing tooth at a depth of 1.5 mm, usually forming a 45-degree angle with the axial wall. Facial and lingual axial reduction is done with a torpedo diamond producing a definitive chamfer finish line at the same time. This facial and lingual reduction is carried as far as possible into the interproximal embrasures without nicking the adjacent teeth. These are the pictures showing the occlusal reduction, and the second picture is showing the beveled occlusal surface. Facial and lingual axial reduction. Facial and lingual axial reduction is done with a torpedo diamond producing a definitive chamfer finish line at the same time. The facial and lingual reduction is carried as far as possible into the interproximal embrasures without nicking the adjacent tooth. This is the picture showing the facial and lingual prepared tooth surface. Mesial and distal axial reduction. A short thin tapered diamond is placed against the facial surfaces of the remaining interproximal tooth structure. It is held upright and moved up and down, directing it lingually with light pressure. Once sufficient space has been produced, sweep the short thin diamond back and forth, planing the surface to smoothen. This is the picture showing the prepared tooth surface. Thank you.